seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot clock? What you waiting on, little daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time tuning in to my channel. My name is Manifa and welcome to my channel. So for this video I did a top knot bun. So if you guys would like to see how I did it, it's very simple, very easy. Stay tuned and continue to watch this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. It will be linked down below, and just, you know, hit that bell. I think the bell is over here, so you can be notified every time I post. I'm trying to be more consistent 2019, so just subscribe, okay, just subscribe. So just continue watching and see you guys in my next video. I hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't be no disrespect, honey. Hey. ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pig, had to get a text from me.